Hey guys, welcome to yet another video of companies that are hiring in 2021. After my last video, I realized a lot of you are looking out for jobs in aviation. So I decided to make a series out of browsing through internet, and I came across this wonderful opportunity that Indigo Airlines is doing at the moment. So let's go to my computer screen and see which positions are available within Indigo Airline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my Google and I'm going to type in careers in Indigo. Let's see what comes up first. Alright, so the first one is the careers.indigo.in. This one was the old one, so you do not need to click on that. If you come down, this is the website. I don't know why they changed it, to be honest, but they have just changed this website recently, and this is a job portal. So the other one is for bookings and stuff like that. You get your flight information, but here you can see it's only for jobs. First timer on Indigo website, you need to sign up here, which says candidate sign up. If I click on this, it will take you here. So you need your first name, last name, your email address, password, and then you sign up. Okay, and then from there they will ask you a few more details like your resume, like they will have questionnaire as well, so you need to fill out all of that. Okay, then when I scroll, so for engineering they have opened just 3 hours ago, which is trainee for QA and TS. So let's open this one and see. This is for freshers as well. It says 0 to 1, but however it's a position for engineering, so it's you need a lot of qualifications for that. So it's about aircraft maintenance, audit, reliability, record section, training. So the eligibility criteria for this position is BTech, electrical, electronics, mechanical, and aeronautical. So if you have this qualification, go and apply for trainee. And this is anywhere in India, so they can basically post you anywhere. They have not specifically said which destination or which state in India they're going to post you in, but it says anywhere in India, so they can actually place you anywhere in India. Okay, then when you come down, there are a lot of job opportunities here, as you can see, right? So this is for airport operations and customer service. Let's open one of them. Let's open let's go to Patna. Let's say if you're in Patna and if you want to apply for a job in Patna, you open that and it says customer service ramp security Patna. It's a full-time job. Experience is 0 to 5. That means the freshers can also apply. Eligibility criteria, it's obviously good communication skills, customer service aptitude, and open to work in rotational shifts, able to work under pressure. This is a standard skill that aviation demands for. It says no visible tattoo marks and body art, age between 18 to 27, and interviewed candidates can reapply after 6 months. That means that if you have already given interview with Indigo, you can reapply after 6 months. You have to wait. That's a waiting period, and then you can reapply. So the preferable requirement for customer service is well versed in customer dealing. For security is basic AFSAC, it's basic aviation security degree actually, screener and NCC background. And for ramp, it's load and trim license, 12th science background. So, and it also says Indigo does not charge for any money for interviews and recruitment. All communication related to offer letters will be sent from official Indigo email IDs only. For example, name at goindigo.in. Guys, this is very important and you should always make a note of this. You should always see if you're receiving emails about job postings, if it's coming from official channels or not, because there are a lot of unauthorized channels which are posting jobs. So just be aware and save your hard-earned money. Okay, so then we come down here. It says assistant manager, Gurugram, 4 to 7 years, full-time, and in-flight operations it's AM manager, route navigation services and projects, and that is again for Gurugram. It's for the headquarters of Indigo. So if you come down here, they need experience of 4 to 7 years, and it's for operation control center. So it has a lot of requirements. The basic one is a graduate BTech, mathematical background, experience 4 to 7 years, and that's pretty much about it. And of course it including night shifts, weekends and holidays. Guys, if you are thinking about getting into aviation, you need to keep this in mind and drill it in your head that there is no day and night for us. There are no weekends, no public holidays. We work 24/7. You can be working on your birthdays, on Christmas, on Diwalis. So if you're thinking about aviation, be it in any department in aviation, you need to bear this in mind and drill it in your head. So if you think that you meet these criterias and you are ready to take this opportunity, go ahead, apply in Indigo, and all the very best to you guys. I am sure you will make it and you will get through this interview. Made it this far in this video, consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that we can help each other out in whatever way we can. Until then, take care, ma salama, bye bye, and take good care of yourself. See you next time.